Have you been searching for the perfect compact SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2017 Infiniti Qx50 in Graphite Shadow. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, LED tail lamps, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 47,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, power sunroof, 3.7-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 7001A.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.